Hello everyone. In the last video, I had taught you about the tuple notation of grammar. In this video, you will learn how to convert a grammar into DFA or finite automata. So the rule is whenever you have a production of the form A derives AB slash A. Suppose this is the production rule given. This is the grammar which is given. Then this can be denoted using finite automata in this manner. This is state A, this is state B. So A goes to B on input A. This is how you will show. A goes to B on input A. This is for this production rule. Moving on to the next one. Because A terminates by this letter, that is, this is a terminal, A derives small a. That is why, since A goes to B on small a, B will act as your final state. Because you don't have any other capital letter along with it, you just have one small case letter or a terminal symbol. So wherever it takes you, wherever the symbol takes you to whichever state, that acts as the final state. So let's take one example and see how it works. So the first example that I'm going to consider, these are the production rules that are given. S derives A, B, C, and B. A derives AS, B, B derives AC, BA, and small a, and C derives AB and BS. These are the production rules which are given. All the capital letters that you see, S, A, B, and C, they are all termed as variables or non-terminals. All the small case letters that you're seeing, small a, small b, those are called as terminals or T. These are the production rules, all four of them. And your starting symbol is capital S. So this was the 4-tuple notation for this production rule. Now moving on to how to convert this grammar into a DFA. So all the capital letters that you see, they will act as your states. Let's start with the starting state, which is S. Start from this production rule. So S will go to state A on input A. So this is my state A, and S goes to A on input A. Then S goes to C on input B. Let's say this is state C. S goes to C on input B. And S terminates with the symbol B. So wherever S goes on B, to whichever state it goes, that state will act as a final state. Now moving on to the production rules of variable A. A goes to S on input A. This is the first production rule. Then A goes to B on input B. So I'll create one more state B, and A goes to B on input B. So we have covered these two rules. There is no terminating symbol here, single letter or lowercase here. Next, state B. The first rule is B goes to C on A. B goes to C on A. Then you have B goes to A on B. B goes to state A on B. B is terminating with input symbol A. So B, wherever it goes on A, that state is acting as a final state. Since we have already marked C as the final state, I'm not going to show it again. Now moving on to production rules of state C. C goes to B on input A. C goes to B on input A, and C goes to state S on input B. C will go to state S on input B. So this is how you will show a DFA. There are 4 states, S, A, B, and C. These states are nothing but your variables. And your input symbols are A and B, which is nothing but your terminals. I hope you must have understood. Thank you.